Bitsgap tutorial, my results and my strategy was the best crypto trading bot in my opinion and based on my results. So my name is Chosse from Financial Freedom Academics, and in this video I want to show you how I made $1,762 profit in the last 30 days by actually doing nothing.
Fun coupon!
It's 99% autopilot, and I learned how to set this up from my mentor, and I paid him 1.5k, so $1,500. And I want to show you this because it's so powerful. This is the road to financial freedom, right? When it comes to crypto, like you just hold those tokens and they make a super nice income by auto trading in a super nice way with my super powerful setup. And we are in the bear market. A lot of tokens have the potential to go super high to 100x. Watch this video till the end. It's full of golden nuggets. Don't want to miss it, so stay till the end and I will show you everything right after the intro. Before we start with the actual tutorial, I just wanted to give you a huge gift where I will show you how I made $2,265 in one day. That's 100% free training. It's all my experience I had, everything I learned in one training. You just need to go to the link below this video. It will lead you to a page like this, and then you will get the training in your inbox. So just do it, take action, and you will just love it. So if you have any question about all this, all the strategy I do and Bitsgap and Binance, if you have any question along this video, just post a question in the YouTube comment area, in the YouTube comment section below this video, and I will answer every single question. No worries. Also, I have a detailed written step-by-step guide about every single step, so you can just go to the guide, see what you have to do step by step, and then you will just put it into action. You need to do it once, but it's actually super easy.
Easy peasy.
I'm probably a bit too fast during this video because I don't want to bore you with content here. I just want to show you my important strategy, but it's everything below this video. You can just read it and just put into action on the screen, so no worries. Also, I will appreciate if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave me a like, and maybe share this video. Another very important thing, this is no financial advice here. Do your own research.
Not financial advice.
As you can see, we are now in my Bitsgap dashboard. That's the live mode. As you can see, it's not the demo mode. I use the demo mode to test pairs, but we are here in the live mode. And as you can see, here's my bot history. The last month I made just bot profit. It was just $1,767. And what I also do, I hold bots where I'm confident they do like 50x, 100x, or even 200x. And I'm in different communities, and I did a lot of research the last months to find those tokens. And I personally, together with my community, is super confident that they tokens or coins will do like a lot of X's, like 50x a minimum in the next bull run. So I just hold them, they trade and make a nice profit, which I can just put on my bank account, or I just scale it. That's what I personally do. Like every day I take 5 minutes and scale it back into the bots. Super easy to do, I will show you later. But just to demonstrate how powerful this is, let's see what compounding can do. Let's say we have $6,000 as I have in my portfolio now. It makes at least $1 a day average, mostly more, but I'll just say the worst case is $1 a day, and we have it in there for 1 year. We compound 100% interest. Of course, you can also say I just want to compound like 80% and put the other on my bank account. It's up to you, but let's say for now we do 100% compounding, and let's say calculate. So $6,000, which is in my portfolio here, at least the worst case is 1% per day, and we have in for 1 year. And I will show you later how to get at least 1% per day. Let's calculate it. So it's $226,000 in 1 year, from 6,000 to 226,000. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. And now you see how powerful this is, right? Albert Einstein once said compounding is the 8th world wonder, so it definitely is. It's definitely the 8th world wonder because it's absolutely insane. And remember, as I said, if you're too lazy or it's too complicated for you to set this up,
I want more. I just don't want to do anything to earn it.
I have the link below this video where you can copy my exact setup, my exact tokens just by copy paste it. In the next few steps I will show you how I set it up and the strategy. I do it a little bit different because I did a lot of research. I only have those tokens inside my portfolio, my 5 bots that trades for me, but those tokens are those tokens I'm confident, based on our research, based on my community, based on my mentor, that could potentially do a 50 to 200x. That's my strategy. I also did a video about how to find those 100x tokens. It's about like here or here in the video. In the corner you can also watch this video. I will show you everything you need to know how to find 100x tokens. Like imagine you have like $1,000 in your bot and it will do the trading every day, make your bot profits, your daily bot profits, but also go up 100x, and it's safe by your stop loss if it goes down again. Super nice, I love it. So that's why I'll also show you. So let's go to the most important part. I want to show you what token pair to choose and how to make a decision. I want to show you how to set up your grid level, and I want to show you how to close a bot and how to scale it, right? That's the most important part here. So first of all, you go to the demo mode. So that's a live mode, but I want to show you how to set it up. You always test your pair in demo mode first before you put the pair to live mode, right? And what you do is you go to strategies here, you put in USDT because that's the stable coin we want to trade. We don't want to use Bitcoin or like LTC. That's not stable. We want to have a stable coin as our pair coin. So that's why you bought USDT inside Binance, and also your profits will also always be paid in USDT. And from here you convert it to euro, and then you can put it on your bank account. Super easy to do. It's also below in the step-by-step guide below this video, but super easy to do. You choose a USDT pair. So then you scroll down. That's the ones that make most profit in the last months. Like Voyager made 36% the last month, which is nice. That's why I have in my portfolio. But you also have other coins, right? And I would say it should be, in my opinion, it should be at least in the top 250. If you want to be super safe, you should choose the top 30. And what do I mean with the top 30? It's all those coins that are in the top 30 on CoinMarketCap. Or go for the top 50. I also have coins from top 250 because I made a lot of research with my community and myself the last months. As I said, I also have the video on it, how I did it. And that's why I'm super comfortable. They will do 50x, 100x. And I'm not that confident that those coins that already at the top will make another 100x. That's the only reason why I also do top 150. But if you want to be super safe, choose a token pair that in the top 50, like maybe like I love Matic, like Polygon Matic. This one I have it in my portfolio, as you saw here. So that's why I use it, and I will test it. Let's say you just take Matic USDT. You click on the pair. Then you go, we just want to have grid levels at the maximum should be 50, but I prefer something around 20. Don't go above 50 because you will pay more fees, trading fees, and that's nothing you want to have. And it's too many trades because, as you can see, they will buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So at every grid level they would do one action, and that's what the grid levels are. Go something in between 10 or 50. Also, you will need a price range, like a low price. You will set your low price, and that's where we will use this table, this sheet, because you want to test how you set your grid level and how you set your price range. Right? So what we will do, we will go back to Bitsgap. You will find price range right here. Here you have the price range. You take the price range. What you do is you just put it on the high price, take it low to first 10%, then you take it from the high price line to 20%, then you go to 30%, and then you go to 40%, and so on. But what you would like to do is to put your low price here, you put it 10 here, and then you do the back test. Back test, okay, it's 12.73 here. Or was it here? You put it 12.73 here, and then you go on with grid level 20, and then you see, okay, it's 10.18. You will put 10.18 here. That's not a lot. You will find way better, but you go just on and on and on, and then you will go to the next price range. You go, okay, grid level 20, you do a back test. You see 8.24. You put here 8.24. It's even worse, but you will find your best token pair. You do grid level 30. It's 7.58, and that's how you will find your period. You just put everything in this table, do all the back tests once. Remember, you only have to do it once, and then you just scale it, as I will show you later. And then you will pick it up, and then you will put your levels here. You put on the pump protection that protects against losses during price hikes. Then you put trailing up. That's trailing function automatically moves the grid up when the market price increases. Stop loss feature also automatically follows the grid if enabled. So what it will do, if the price goes up, all this grid level will follow it. It will follow up, and also the stop loss will follow. So imagine the price will go here and the stop loss was here. The stop loss will follow. It will follow. The minus 20% will follow up, and when it will go down, you again make profit. You understand what I mean? I also have an article about this function below this video, but it's super powerful. You can also use take profit. I don't use it because I want it to grow, and that's basically it. You fill out this table with grid levels and the price range, and then you choose the best one and you set it up. Have your stop loss, have your trailing up, have your pump protection, and push on start. And that's all I do. I just monitor it after 1 or 2 days. I see, okay, when it do more than 1.6 or 1%, I will put it to live mode. That's super nice. As you can see, I have stop loss here, I have trailing, and trailing up. That's everything you need to do. And then once you see, okay, I have enough balance, I just scaled before I made this video. So I will say if I'm at 140 balance tomorrow morning or today evening, I would just scale one bot, probably one with the most profit, with the most average daily. I will take it, close it, and scale it. I just put, I can show it in the demo mode. You just, let's say we want to scale Holy because Holy did well. We close the bot here, we put sell at the market price, we confirm, and then you will see their balance increase here. Then you go back to spot history and you push on Poly again. You push on Poly, you just go on modify and restart, and then you just put it back to 95%. You're not able to put in more than 95% here because you need 5% for the fees. Bitsgap automatically always put it back. Always leave 5% for the fees. So you check everything, okay, everything alright. They keep the settings, and then you click on start. That's it. That's how you scale. I do it once a day. I choose the most successful pair and scale it with the balance from all the tokens. And remember, everything is always on Binance, and Binance is super easy to do. And when you want to put it into your bank account, you just convert it to, I think it was here, you convert it somewhere here, Binance Convert. You convert it from USDT to Euro or to US dollar, and then you go to bank deposit here, and put it on your bank account. Super easy to do, and it's a passive income machine. You can do it every day, and as I said, you can just copy my portfolio, my settings by clicking on the link below this video, and then you set it up and you have the same portfolio as I have. So let's do a quick summary. What you will need to do is to set up a Binance account and a Bitsgap account. As I said, you can copy everything I do, or my whole portfolio must set up via the link below. But what you will need to know is you will go to demo mode, you go to the strategy tab, you will find, you put USDT because that's the stablecoin you need to trade on. You have everything on Binance. Bitsgap is just for the trading. Then you will find a strategy, the results for the last month. You will choose one that is in the top 100. I do top 150 because I did all the research with my community, with my mentor. But if you want to be super safe, do top 100 or even better, top 50. You do your setup, remember price range, use the table I just gave you below this link, like price range -10, -20, -30, -40, -50, and then you have the grid levels 10, 20, 30, 50, 40, 50. Do the work and fill it out once based on the back test, and then you choose the best one. You put it to confirm. You will wait 1 day, and then we'll see how much it makes. I would say for a super powerful coin, at least 0.6% a day. So I hope you like this video. I will highly appreciate a subscribe, because I will put up more content about like crypto and trading and pre-sales and what I do. I never did manual trading, by the way. So that's the only thing I can teach you is auto trading, right? But that's even better because you just need to do nothing at all, right? So subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit me a like, ask your questions below this video in the YouTube comment section.
I'm gonna take some questions from the people.
That will be super nice because I want to help you with the setup. Also share this video if you like to, I would highly appreciate it. And don't forget to watch my other video about the 100x pre-sales. You will find it somewhere here or here in the corner. Super nice stuff to find 100x pre-sales and to how to dive into those pre-sales. That's it from my side. I hope you liked this video. I wish you a fantastic day. See you soon. Bye bye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.